Today I have for you Yaesu's FVS-2 voice guide unit, and it will be installed in my DR-2X repeater system. These are just a few close-up pictures to get you an idea of what it looks like. And you can see it's an easy installation with the one large plug. So in a minute, I'll get the cover removed and pop this baby in. Here's a quick shot though of the memory chip that will be facing up when installed, but only after taking off all the screws again.
Game begin.
Keep an eye out for your DSP module. It might come unsnapped with the case like mine did. Here's a nice close-up shot of the onboard connector. It's a good size and you're going to get a nice positive feel when it snaps into place. And here are the connectors for the DSP board. It takes a little bit of alignment to get it in place, but it's not too bad. Here's mine stuck to the foam support on the inside of the cover, and with a gentle pull I was able to remove it. So here you go. Once you're ready, grab your voice module and snap it into place. Easy peasy, only takes a few seconds. All right, there you go. Not too bad. And then on to installing the DSP board back in its spot. Again, mine was stuck to the foam support when I lifted off the cover. But if yours didn't come off that way, you might want to take it out and reseat it because there have been reports of it being partially disconnected and causing problems with the digital portion. So yeah, you can see there's a bit of a struggle to get it in place here, but once you do, it's a positive snap, so you're sure it's in place. Once both boards are in place, you can put it back together and fire the repeater up. Thanks for watching. I look forward to playing with the features of this digital board, and I will take some video and show you what it can do.